Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy S23 or the S23 Ultra. Okay, first get yourself a SIM pin from the box, and we're going to push the SIM pin into the hole here at the bottom, right here. Push it in and that will pop out the SIM tray. Pull out the SIM tray. And then we're going to get this nano SIM card and place it this way. So make sure the gold surface is facing up, so facing upward. And then we're going to insert it into the slot like that. So push the SIM tray into the slot, and that's it. So that is how you can insert the SIM card. To remove the SIM card, just push the pin into the SIM tray and then pull it out. Now turn around, there is a small hole at the bottom here. So get the SIM pin and push through the hole, and this will pop out the nano SIM card. And that's it. That is how you can insert or remove a SIM card on the Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.